Hi friends, my name is Vishwa and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to break down the things which you want to know about charcoal. Friends, in this channel I have drawn several realistic and hyper-realistic drawings with charcoal pencils. If you haven't seen some of those, I'll put a link for the playlist down below in description. Go and check it out. Friends, charcoal is used by artists as one of the main medium of art for the past 600 years, but it all started from our tribes who used to draw the hunted animals on the walls of caves and on the rocks. So let me get into the point. Friends, there are 4 different types of charcoal available in the market. The first one is vein charcoal, then a willow charcoal, then compressed charcoal and the charcoal pencil. The compressed charcoal and the charcoal pencil is being used by artists for a long time and it is easily available. Then the willow charcoal is one of the most used by the professional artists, the willow and the vine charcoal. As the name suggests, the vine charcoal is made up of burning the veins of grape plant, and it will be lengthy sticks like this, and it is being used for the loose and light sketching by artists. But I haven't seen any one of the people who I met directly using the vine or willow charcoal, but I have seen a lot of artists who is using the compressed and the charcoal pencils. Yeah, still I haven't used any one of the charcoal mediums other than the charcoal pencil. Hopefully I'll be using the other things in near future. Friends, as I said, the charcoal pencil and the compressed charcoal is pretty cheap because it is made up of the carbon. First of all, I want to say what is charcoal. The charcoal is the carbon residue which is obtained from burning the plants or the bones. The compressed and the charcoal pencil, the lead inside the charcoal pencil is made up of carbon or the charcoal combined with a binding material like wax or gum, and it compressed into a shape like that, a cylindrical shape or a rectangular shape like that. If you are going to start drawing with charcoal, you want to need a charcoal material. I suggest you to get one of the charcoal pencil because charcoal pencils are easily available than the charcoal sticks, and it is not harmful like a charcoal stick. Charcoal sticks usually emit a lot of dust when you are using it, so it may be harmful for you. Be careful while using that. Then friends, finally, if you are going to start drawing with charcoal, you want to need a blending tool. Personally I use 4 types of blending tools. First of all, the paper stumps. These are so easily available and it is so good to get smooth and even results. But if you want even more, you can use a dry brush, and people also use the cotton and tissue paper for blending. These 4 materials will work nearly the same, but it has some key things differently. I'll make a separate video for that. Yeah, stay tuned for that, my friends. Then for highlights, people use normal erasers and kneadable erasers or these type of precision erasers, which is all these things are easily available in the market, so get one of those before start drawing. I'll personally recommend you to get a normal eraser or a kneadable eraser because it works a lot than these type of precision erasers. Then friends, yeah, if you are a beginner, that will be the best choice. I don't want you to spend a lot of money on those. And the next thing and the final thing was highlighting material. Yeah, other than the erasers, people also use these type of white gel pen or paint markers or even correction pen for the highlights. All the things work the same, but if you are having a paint marker or a white gel pen like this, it will be good than having a correction pen. That's it friends, so I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notification so you will get a notification for my every videos. Friends, if you want to know more about charcoal, just go and check out playlist section. You will find how to draw playlist, and in this playlist you can find a lot of tutorial videos and you can watch that and learn about drawings. And thank you so much for watching friends. See you in the next video.